You can hold it for now.
So y'all, I don't have my tripod, so this is what we're working with. Why is the closet open? That just scared the fuck out of me.
I opened it.
Okay, y'all. So I don't have my tripod, so I don't know what to put my camera on to make it.
I know I can't fit these.
Level. Oh.
No way. No way I can fit these. So I cannot fit them.
Y'all. So
Should I do it?
no. Nisha. Bro.
Okay,
Nisha, stop. Nisha, stop.
I can fit them. I can fit them.
Bro, if it happens again, I'm gonna die laugh again. Again. Alright, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If the contacts is popping, Thanksgiving.
Oh, let me go pee. I forgot I had to pee. How is this?
Thanksgiving. But y'all, me and the bestie. Bestie, say hi.
Hey!
This girl. Me and the bestie, you know, we had to get away. That's all I'm gonna say. We had to get away. So yeah, we got away. We're away. As you can tell,
Yep.
you know, the scenery.
Yep.
We are away. Definitely away. Nothing too major. Nothing really going on here. Oh hell! Let me stop screaming. We might have like neighbors or something. But y'all, this is the room. We like, as soon as we came in here, we started trying on our outfits that we bought. So it's not as clean as it was. I got booty in there. No. Stop it. So I left my tripod. I left my tripod at home. I left my freaking tripod at home, so I have to hold my camera with my hand. We're gonna see how that's gonna go because this camera kind of heavy. Anyways, but yeah, we're gonna go to the store and get some things. I gotta come back and fix my wig. Oh Lord. We have a reservation at Benihana's at 8 o'clock and it's 6:03. Like, y'all, we gotta go. We got to fucking go. So yeah, y'all, we in the elevator. I hate elevators. They made my stomach hurt. My stomach hurt.
I'm hungry.
Yes. Oh my god. I'm kind of glad we didn't eat all day because when we get to the beginning, we'll eat our food. Like, but we also gotta bring something. What's she saying?
Fuck.
Oh, I got scared.
Are y'all going to 1 2?
Yep.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But yeah. I was about to say such a little bit.
This is the lobby
We
view.
gotta really go out there so they can see.
We're not going out there right now. We're gonna go to the store.
We gotta go to the store.
About his face.
We have to go to Dollar Tree.
It's cold. We're gonna be freezing our ass off tonight.
We are what we wearing.
What the fuck?
We are. Well, we
Yo.
trying to wear pants and shit just we ain't got no jacket.
I mean, I got
I
a
told
jacket,
you I should
but
have brought
my
that leather
jacket don't
jacket.
go.
Freaking $2.
Oh. But y'all, I'm tired of holding this camera, so I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna put this mother down. Okay, y'all, so we're back in the hotel room and we're getting ready. Our reservation was at 8, but now it's at 9 because we were running a little late.
I can't put this shit in, bro.
We're running a little late. So yeah, I'm about to get ready. Hopefully I can show y'all my outfit. Hopefully I can put y'all, can I put y'all right here? Oh, I can put y'all right there. Oh, but yeah, I'm gonna come back when I got like my outfit choices on and stuff like that. Yeah, period. So the pants, I like the pants. That's that net, nigga. Guys, this is me. Well, this is me too, but I don't know which one.
And
But this,
we got the keys
I got one in my bag.
because I don't have that other person one. Booty rocking everywhere. Too bad we going to it.
Yeah, we should have been like, I found. Okay, we gotta go.
Come on, yeah,
We're running late.
super late.
So y'all, we're at Benihana's.
Benihana.
Our reservation was at 9, but they told Nisha, because she went in before me, they told Nisha it's gonna be like 20-30 minutes because they're waiting on tables. So we're going back in the car. Mind you, it's cold outside, so we're going back in the car to warm the fuck up, okay?
Y'all, that boy said she wanted.
Okay, y'all, so it's the end of the vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna post it or not, but if I do post it, it's in the vlog. We are in a hotel room in our PJs, period. Nisha's over there. Find something to watch on TV. Nisha say, hey.
Hi.
But yeah, we about to lay down. Go through these pictures we took. Maybe post, maybe not. But I don't know. So yeah. Look. It's 9:59. I'm not gonna end my video like from last night, but I'm gonna end it today. So we have to check out at like 11 o'clock. So let's get up and get to my fucking work, bitches. Let's close these blinds back. I'm gonna lay back down. I'm off to bed. This probably charges of me. Get dressed and get out of here. We don't want to. We're gonna get out of here. It's 2:44.
Yeah.
I don't have to get back in charge. Damn. So we're gonna do OOTD, guys. We're gonna do OOTD. We're gonna do it in here. Motherfucker, not.
Look at me in your video. Period. It's cold outside. Yes, I have a dress, y'all. Bye.
Everything is new, by the way. Pajamas back there.
I'm so pissing me off.
Yo, okay. We're gonna go. We're gonna go down.
What you said?